What's going on, everybody? My name is Barry, one half the Huang Bros. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a favor for my friend and I'm gonna get his car aligned. We recently did some suspension. We added CKS suspension to his car. The panel was removed right now because it's going for paint. And right now the height of this is a lot shorter than the passenger side. Over here I measured it to be like, I don't know, 3 7/8. Over here it's about 3 1/2. That's a big difference. And my friend's gonna go to the track in 2 days, so I'm gonna help him out and get it in line while he's at work. And he told me to actually test drive the car too, so stay tuned for that. Only because I know what it's like before we did the suspension and after the suspension, and I can compare it. So yeah, about to raise this up and see what's gonna happen. Lefty loosey, so I'm going that way. Now this is loose, and I'm gonna leave it like this where it can freely spin as I'm raising the whole shock body. And then we just twist this, but he's got this, so we have to, oh no, the bent right here. Remove this. If you have a stance part kit, remove that. Spinning to the left that way will make the shock body go up, the damper go up. That's what we want. So move the cable, use this, bam. We need about a good amount, like half an inch up. This is generally how you raise every single car. Spin it to the right to go up once you release the bottom, because if you release this, then the spring will move, which you don't want that, because it's already compressing the spring, giving it preload. Let's see, that's about 1/4 of an inch, so I actually need to do a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's pretty good for now. If I have to, I will adjust later if I do need to. I don't think I have to, but you know, I'm gonna just go a little bit more higher. All right, now I just need to lock this in place. Pulling to the right. That's good. Now I'm gonna connect the stance part cup. I'll put that back in. Hopefully this is out of the way. You know what? There's a kink right there. Screw that, I'm cutting it off. Pulling it up, give it a little more slack, and insert. There we go. Doing it right the first time. That should be under pretty good. Now we put the wheel back on and see what the height is. All right, the wheel is on, so we're gonna put it down. Whenever you mess with suspension, where you change the height or you adjust preload or whatever you gotta do, you always have to move the car. Always have to move the car because the spring needs to go back to underload. All right, so now time to measure the height and see what happens. So the driver's side is the one we adjusted, so let's see what this one is. We're looking at about 3 and so about 3 and 15, 16. Oh, I'm just short, just a little bit. All right, I guess I'm putting this back up and adjusting it higher. This is the second time raising it so far. I think I've probably maybe closed the distance from the left and the right side now. I need to add like 1/4 inch, I think. Yeah, about 1/4 inch. Actually, I think this might be a little bit too high. Actually, no, nah, not really. This is good enough. All right, now I'm gonna retighten it. And put back the airline. All right, stance part's working. Second time's a charm, right? Oh, actually, I think that might be too high. Freaking A. All right, we are at about 4 and something here, like 4. Please let it be 4. Okay, it's just a tad bit high. Oh, actually, he's right there. Could be the ground. 4 1/16. All right, we did good. I did good. Okay, now I'm going to take this to alignment, and actually, he's actually going to change out these back 295s. This is on a 18 by 11. It's going to change out the 295s to a 315. So this should be looking a lot more meatier. I would put these in the bag, but you know what? They're brand new. They don't have like that road dust. It's good. Ooh, this might be interesting. Oh. Whatever, that works. Now for the back. Ooh. Oops. I don't think it's gonna work. I guess I gotta count chairs. Helmets, chairs, all that's gotta come out. Hell, that oil too. We don't want no oil bust. Where do you think you're going, tire? Stop moving. Finally, space. Okay, let's try this again. All right, that works. That was supposed to work. All right, we got the tires loaded up. Now we got the tires loaded up. Oh, I got the tires loaded up. Now it's time to test drive the crap out of this because he told me to, which is gonna be fun, I would say. If you watched the other video, it was fun. Everything's loaded up, and let me tell you, I don't know how you sit so close to the steering wheel, Steven. I'm doing this thing back. Oh wait, I'm squeezing the chair. Okay, maybe that's just the Supra. There's like no room in the Supra at all, like at all. If you see, if I scoot back, it's already hitting the cage. You like that Moto? Got a fire extinguisher right there. Woo! And let's reverse. Air up. Car goes up, as you can kind of maybe see. And let's go. You can't even see the mirror. Kind of scary here. Oh, people are coming. And forget to air down. I don't know what all that right there says, but I see an F and a U, so I think it says full send. Put that thing in sports mode, manual. Oh god. Woo! Oh man. That's kind of scary. These are our compound tires, Nanking Air 1s. I don't know when they're grip, but oh well. Full set. Oh man. Wild. It's crackling everywhere. No downpipe or tune. I bet I could beat this guy in a race too. I could beat him. This guy, I'll beat him. So far handling's pretty good. All right, there's a corner. Somewhat sweeping turn. Not bad. Suspension's holding up pretty well. The alignment's pretty good. Even though I just raised it up, it's pretty good. That hooked pretty well. It's really good. Handles well. The suspension, CKS suspension. I would say the CKS suspension on this car, on this Supra, A90 Supra, is very comfortable, but it's very firm as well on the turns. It's really good. If you saw the previous scenes, it's not bouncy. It's not too bouncy. It's not too soft. There's no, I don't sense any body roll, so this is pretty good. Just gotta get that alignment after changing out these tires. I want to say these tires are aren't good right now. They're hooking. They're hooking pretty well. They're heated. They're heated up. What's up, Steven? You're on a GoPro.
Wait, what?
You're on a GoPro. You're being recorded. I'm driving your car to AVN right now, so. Yeah.
Okay, let's see right now. You're gonna do that right now?
Well, I'm going to AVN right now to get the alignment, so. But I changed her height like you requested, and it's pretty good so far. So far, the suspension and all that, it's pretty good. It's pretty firm still, and it's just like what it was before. The alignment's pretty on point right now after I raised it up. Oh, yeah. Damn! Is there like any?
Okay, yeah, I think they have to fix the caps or the main thing on Huang.
Yeah, well, I just arrived at AVN, so I had to actually replace your air hose. I had to cut it and snip it because it had a bend. It wouldn't go up.
Oh shit!
But I fixed it. That's why we left it long, so it works now.
Okay, all right.
But yeah, I'm here at AVN, and we're gonna get that alignment.
Okay, for sure. I'll see you later. We'll go grab dinner.
Okay, yeah, sure.
All right, thanks, man.
All right, yeah. Bye. All right, we're here at AVN, and I'm gonna go in and talk to the guys and see if we can get this alignment done. Might have to leave the car, but it's okay. They're good friends. All right, we're gonna move this car into AVN. I love having stance parts cups. So much easier to get into like driveways like this. Man, this suspension is feeling pretty good. Am I good on the right? That was something. We can stay aired up the whole time. Huh? I can stay aired up the whole time.
Yeah. Where's the air button?
Oh, right here. It's a red button right here. It's gonna be that button. I mean, I'm not gonna press it, but it's that red button.
Okay. No, because we're not doing anything to the front, so we're just jacking up the rear.
Yep. All right. The plan is to leave the car here, get the AR1s installed later, replacing these. So here's the key. I'm putting in the seat. And that's how I feel about your car, Steven. That's how I feel. Wait, yes, that's how I feel. I gotta grab the rest of this stuff. They are giving me permission to move the car. Did I clear? I think I cleared. Luckily, the car's still aired up. Oh god. Tell me when to stop. All right, and we are here. And I'm air down. Such a fast drop. Everything's about to be adjusted. All the camber and the front and back probably be adjusted. This Supra has been taking a long time because it's BMW. Guess who joined us? The owner. So it's been, I'd say, about 2 hours since we've had this Supra on the alignment rack. A lot of different SPL arms and a lot of different modifications are just in the way. So we are getting it done though. See that complication? Yeah, almost zero toe. Yeah, zero toe. God. Oh my god. The left side, front left is. Yep. Drop down the toe. Come on, keep going. Yep. Countdown. Damn. Ooh, ooh, it's in green. Almost. Ooh.
Damn, so that thing was hella long.
Got it. So putting these fat 295s away because that dude decided to change them out to 315. Damn, his tires are bigger than mine now. Mine are 305s. Now he's got 315s. Jealous.
Have to do it to him one time.
You have to do it to me one time. No more big tires for me. I mean, I'm already at my max fitment. Space up in there? Oh, damn, look at that thing. Yeah. Thing is scraped up. Okay, that didn't fit the way I want it to fit.
Oh, okay.
Damn, look at those 315s. No more in curve.
Yeah, so you can raise the front.
Oh yeah. So the back doesn't raise enough?
There's not enough room in the back to fit it.
Oh, so you only have it in the front?
I only have it in the front, yeah. Yeah, so you can still air out on people.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please, if you learned something, please like, comment, subscribe that you did. And hey, see you next video. Peace.